Okay, welcome to the review for quiz number 8. And a coughing fit. Okay, we are talking about time-based effects and specifically delay. I split our time-based effects into two kind of categories, overarching reverb and delay are time-based effects. For those of you reviewing the quiz that you've already done it, it is false that EQ and compression are time-based effects. They are not. Good. So, a delay is, I best thought of as an echo, right? We hear a sound and then we hear it again, and that's later in time, so an echo. Now, we will often have a knob or a parameter on a delay that says feedback. It's not the loud, screechy noise that happens when you put a microphone in front of a speaker. The feedback is actually the number of repeats, right? So once it's repeated once, if you feed it back in again, it'll repeat again and again and again, right? If you have no feedback, you'll just hear just one repeat, right? Hello, hello, and it'll stop. If you have more repeats, then that's when you hear hello, 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 over and over again. Okay. Now, the length of the delay is going to be used to make some different types of effects, right? The shorter ones, our brain doesn't hear them as separate events. It kind of blends them all together into the same sound. And the first one I'm going to talk about is if your delay is about 15 to 30 milliseconds, that's going to sound like a chorus, especially if you've got some modulation in the pitch that's happening there as well. That's going to give it the sound of a chorus, right? If you bring up just a chorus plugin, it may have those things hidden in the background, or you can try and get just a regular delay and kind of shape it into your own chorus using a kind of 15 millisecond to 30 millisecond delay. In the lecture, we probably talked about phasers and flangers and slapbacks and those things at the other lengths of time. The last one I want to talk about is if you have a delay of over 50 milliseconds, that is going to sound like a discrete echo, right? That's kind of the dividing line of where your brain thinks it's all just kind of one sound that's messed up with itself, and 50 milliseconds or more, that's where we start to think of, okay, I'm hearing an echo. I'm hearing a separate event as opposed to just something with a flanger on it or a phaser. Okay, good. So that was quiz number 8. Thank you very much.